In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize a Notion database view. If your Notion database feels cluttered or difficult to scan, creating a well-organized view can make a huge difference. A good view helps you focus only on the information you actually need without changing the original database itself. That means you can build different views for different purposes, whether you want to track deadlines, sort tasks by priority, or separate work by project. Start by opening the Notion database you want to organize. This can be a task list, project tracker, content calendar, or any other database you already use. Once you're inside, create a new view or open an existing one that you want to improve. Views are useful because they let you display the same database in different ways, so you can tailor what you see depending on the kind of work you're doing. Next, add filters to show only the items that matter for that view. For example, you might want to display only active tasks, only items assigned to a certain person, or only records with a specific status. Filters are one of the easiest ways to reduce visual noise and make your database feel much more manageable. As you add them, think about the exact purpose of the view, so you only include what's relevant. After that, add sheet sorting to arrange the items in a more helpful order. You can sort by date if you want the most urgent items to appear first, by priority if you need to focus on what matters most, or by name or status if that makes the list easier to review. Sorting helps create structure, and even a simple change in order can make the database much faster to use. Then add groups to separate items visually. Grouping is especially helpful when you want to break the database into sections based on category, status, person, or project. This gives you a clearer layout and makes it easier to understand the bigger picture at a glance. If your database contains a lot of entries, grouping can instantly make it feel more organized. Once the structure looks right, choose which properties should appear in the view. Only keep the fields that are useful for that specific purpose. Hiding unnecessary properties helps keep the view clean and focused, while showing the right ones gives you the context you need without overwhelming the screen. Finally, save the view so you can come back to it later without having to rebuild everything. This makes your workflow more efficient and gives you a reusable setup whenever you need it. With the right combination of filters, sorting, grouping, and visible properties, your Notion database becomes much easier to navigate and far more useful day to day.